Oh yeah, yeah. Well, the bass will drown it out.
Oh yeah. It drowns out my engine noise. Got engine noise through the speakers. It just started coming through yesterday. Put 2 ground loop isolators on it. I don't think they were really good ground loop isolators.
Have you tried the RCA trick?
Yeah, I did that. Wrap wire around it.
Yeah.
But every time the bass would hit, that wire would do weird stuff. Start getting louder and quieter. That definitely got in my ear that time, man. Woo, I like that. That sounds that get into your ears, man. And what did you got back there again? 8 C3 Crossfire C312s.
Heck yeah, man. Appreciate that demo, man.
Thanks for checking it out.